Okay, so this one is the first question. Okay, Akila, can you help me to read the first question?
Sure. Observe the sentence below. The tense used in the sentence is simple present tense. If we change the sentence into passive voice, the correct answer will be
Okay, so we
mhm.
need to change this sentence into passive voice. Yeah, Leah joins the English club. So here is simple present tense. Yeah, if you remember, so
Leah is joined by the English club.
okay, so let's
Leah is joined by the English club.
remember, if passive voice, the
Remember.
position of subject and object is crossing. Yeah, so the object first, and then edit by is, am or are, and then verb 3, and then plus by plus subject at the end. Okay,
Mhm.
can you find the
So,
answers?
yeah, we
Mhm.
like this. Leah was. Hold on.
So the English club
Okay.
will be in the front.
Leah was joined by the English club.
Okay, that is not.
No.
Nah, we already eliminate two answers because the
Okay,
English club
okay.
should be in the front.
Passive
Hmm.
voice.
Mhm.
Mhm.
And then Leah will be at the end. Okay.
The English club was joined by Leah.
Okay. Was okay. Make sure the tense is simple present tense.
The English club is joined by Leah. The English club is
Okay. Good.
joined by
It's
The
Leah.
English
okay,
club. The
Akila.
English club is joined by Leah.
You did good job. Yeah. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Aka.
Miss,
The answer is A.
I will help you.
what is verb 3, Miss?
Verb 3 is the uh, past
The
tense. Yeah, past
okay.
participle. Yeah, like regular and irregular. Yeah, for example, cook become cooked. Yeah, but we read it cook. Yang tadi joins become join with ed. Okay, the next Turah Adra, please.
Read the sentence below carefully. The tense used in the sentence is simple past tense. Change the sentence into passive voice.
So remember the first one, if passive voice, yeah, so some letters will be in front of the sentence and then the postman will be at the end. So you can eliminate some answers, yeah, which start with postman. Okay, this one is
Postman
not.
is stamp.
Mhm.
Bukan itu.
And then here is past tense. Use was or were.
Use was or were.
Depends on the subject.
Depends on the subject. Lettersnya banyak, berarti dia
Yes.
were.
Yeah, good.
Some letters were stamped by the postman.
Okay, good. Some letters were stamped by the postman. Okay. So the answer is D. Do you know what is stamp? Memberikan stempel ya.
Stamp.
Stamp.
Di stamp perangko? Ya, perangko.
No. Yeah, the stamp of
the
perangko and then give some like stamp. Ada stampnya juga. Okay. Thank you. Next, Dewadi, please.
Okay, Miss. Okay. Will is used to make a promise. The correct usage of will in making a promise in the sentence below is I will come to our birthday party this Saturday.
Okay, good. Thank you. Next, Vikan, please.
Ya, oke, sudah kuduga. The score of the basketball match between John's team and Mark's team is 50. Neil. I think Mark's team are going
Okay,
to
Mark's
lose.
team. Mark's team is only one team. This is singular.
Okay.
Are going means that the teams
Okay.
are two. So the answer is
Is going to lose.
is going.
Hey, Miss, may
Okay.
I
Yes,
excuse me,
Akhil.
Miss, may I take a glass of water?
Yes, sure. You can.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Next, Deva, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Adverbs are words which are used to describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. There are 5 kinds of adverb. The example of interrogative adverb below are as follows:
Mhm.
why, when, and who.
Good. Why, when, and who. Okay. So this is also a tips for you. Yeah. If the questions are long, yeah, long enough like this one, there are more than one sentences. So if you have limited time, you can read the last sentence of the question. Ya, jadi kalau misalkan waktunya terbatas, you can read the last. Baca yang terakhir dulu. Kira-kira yang ditanyakan apa? Ya, and then if you already interrogative adverb, you can directly choose the answer. But if you forgot adverb itu apa ya, you can read from the beginning again. Okay? Thank you. Next, Rendra, please.
Read the sentence below carefully. The underlined word refers to Jackson joined a marathon race, so he ran quickly. Adverb of manner.
Okay, good adverb of manner ya. Dia berlari dengan cepat. Thank you, Viera. Next.
Look at the word below. The suitable prefix to be added to the word below is logical, illogical.
Illogical, good ya. So ill ya mostly can be added to the word which beginning with L ya, illogical. Thank you. Next, I would like to ask Rizdia, please.
Okay, Miss. I don't think your work is complete. I will not accept blank work. Incomplete, Miss.
Okay, so how about the others? Do you have any other opinion? So here, the word is complete. So
Incomplete.
in, ear, or ill?
In.
In, okay, incomplete. Good. Thank you, Rizdia. Incomplete. Okay, next. Okay, so next I would like to ask Aura, please.
Yeah.
Please read this question.
Observe the picture below. The correct compression degree to express the picture is 10 is younger than Mr. Andy.
Okay, good. 10 is younger than Mr. Andy. Okay. The last for multiple choices, I would like to ask Mangayi, please.
Yeah. At the picture below, the appropriate degree of comparison to describe the picture. An elephant is bigger than a pig.
Good. An elephant is bigger than a pig. Okay, thank you. So next is multiple choices, complex multiple choices. So here you can answer more than one. Yeah, so it can be true, it can be 3. Yeah, but here I already give validation, so all of you should choose 2 answers in each question. Okay, I will read the first. There are 2 voices in English. Yeah, they are active voice and passive voice. The examples of passive voice below are shown by, okay, the passive voice. The first one, the movie is watched by us. Movie itu ditonton oleh kami. Is it correct? What do you think?
It was correct.
Yes,
it is
correct.
correct.
Next,
It is
NCT was sung by the song. NCT dinyanyikan oleh lagu itu.
salah. It's false.
Yeah, false. And then the song was sung by NCT. Lagu itu dinyanyikan oleh NCT.
True.
True, good. And then the last, we are watched by the movie. Kami ditonton oleh movie. Apakah bisa? Is it can? Kita ditonton oleh movie.
Oh, that's creepy.
False.
Yeah,
False.
false, of course, yeah. So the
That's
answers are A
creepy.
and C.
Tonton sama film. Bagus.
There's no way we can be watched by a movie.
So that's why, yeah, it's not correct.
I mean there's
Oh,
A ghost is watching
no.
us.
Next, will and be going to are used to talk about the future. The correct sentences in using will and be going to are, okay. Who knows the answer? How about Serafin? Can you help me to answer the question? Okay, there is no answer from Serafin. Abim? Abim? Abim. Okay, Abim. Can you help me to find the answer, please? Yang mana kira-kira? Please read this one. Coba baca yang ini.
If you keep being noisy, I will tell the teacher.
Okay, is this correct? What do you think?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, good. The second one, please read it.
My friend are coming to my birthday party next Sunday.
Okay, is it correct?
No.
No. Okay, good. Next.
No. My friend are going to come to my birthday party next Sunday. No.
No? Really?
Yes. No.
Maaf, Miss, tadi saya keluar sendiri, Miss.
No, it's okay. Maybe the connection is not good.
Yes.
Okay, and then the last.
Okay.
Read it, please.
I will telling the teacher if you are noise. Yes.
Okay. How about the others? C or D? Yeah, are be going to. So going should
Are
be
going to.
Yeah, this
My
one.
friends are going.
My friends are going to come to my birthday party next Sunday. Okay, thank you, Abim. Yeah, next. I would like to ask Serafin tadi sempat unmute. How about Serafin now?
Oh, I don't know. Where's she staying?
Or Andi, please. Where is Andi? Gong Naya? Are you there? Please answer
Yes.
me. Yes. Okay. Kung Naya, please read this question.
Observe the pictures below. Choose two correct statements based on the pictures given.
Mhm.
Uh,
The meaning of wide is luas and then narrow sempit. So,
the zoo is the widest of all.
okay, good. The zoo is the widest at all. And then one more.
The museum is narrow than the hospital.
Okay, good. The museum is narrower than the hospital. Thank you.
Okay.
Next. Andi, are you there?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Andi, please read the next question.
Adverb are words which are used to describe verbs, adjective, and other adverbs. There are 5 kinds of adverb. The sentence which use adverb of time below are:
Okay, adverb of time.
Why do you come late?
Okay. How about the other? Why do you come late? Can you find any adverb of time here?
It was adverb of frequency.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this one is interrogative. Yeah.
I
Okay.
am
Oh,
going
sorry,
to the
Miss.
library
That's
tomorrow.
I'm
interrogative.
going to the
Hmm.
library tomorrow.
How about this one,
Yeah, that's
Andi?
right.
I am going to library tomorrow.
Can you find adverb of time? Yes. What is that?
What is that?
Kata
Tomorrow.
yang mana? Which time? Telling the
Tomorrow.
time. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Good. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
And then next, he drives his car carefully. Is there any adverb of time?
No.
No, this is adverb of
No.
manner.
Yeah, this one adverb of manner. And then the last, the room was cleaned by the helper yesterday. Is there any adverb of time?
Yes,
Yes.
yesterday.
Yesterday. Good. Thank you so much. Okay, so the answer are B and D. Next. Okay. Next in Cynthia, are you there? Please help me to read the questions. Okay. There is no answer. Ni Paramesti, who is this? Caca ya? Oh, Cynthia. Cynthia already unmute. Okay, Cynthia. Please read this one.
There are three kinds of
Comparison degree. Okay.
They are positive, comparative, and superlative degree. The correct positive degree below are:
Okay, so the characteristic of positive degree S blank 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 S. So the answers will be
Lucas is as tall as John.
good. One more.
My sister is as smart as my brother.
Okay, good. Thank you. So the answers are A and D. Okay, next. Next is short answers. So you need to type the correct answers, yeah? Okay, I would like to ask Dayu Intan. Are you there?
Hello?
Okay. Dayu Intan, please read this question.
Analyze the sentence below the correct word to fill in the blank.
Saya keluar sendiri lagi.
The noodle were eaten by Siwon.
Okay, so here, yeah, the word is cooks. So you need to change cooks into, yeah? Cooks become?
Cooked.
Yeah, good. Cook. Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
eaten.
Good.
No.
Next question I would like to ask Elgin, please. Elgin, can you unmute yourself? Okay, there is no answers. Rizdia, please.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Rizdia, please.
Tapi maaf ya, Miss, agak ribet.
Yeah, it's okay.
Observe the sentence below. The word that refers to interrogative adverb in the sentence below is why.
Why? Good. Thank you. Next, Fiera, please.
Okay. We are
Okay, good.
going
We
to
are
sell some flowers.
good. Okay, next. I think we can back to the beginning again. Akila, please.
The height of a coconut tree is 300 centimeters. The height of the durian tree and the mango tree is 200 centimeters. So the durian tree is higher, high as the mango tree.
Good. As
Yes, it's
high as. Ya, sama tingginya. The height is the same. Okay, Turah Adra, next.
Look at the sentence below carefully. Add suitable prefix to the underlined words to fill in the blanks. Just now the cars were visible, but because of the fog, they have become invisible.
Invisible, good.
Invisible boot mobile.
Okay, next.
Tapi bener ada yang jual. Yeah, there's yeah.
I know it.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, so next is true, false, or matching words. Yeah, so next, I will read it first. Yeah, here are provided some sentences in passive voice. Analyze the sentences, tick true if the passive voice is correct and tick false if it's wrong. So, they watch by the movie. Is it correct? Mereka ditonton oleh movie.
False.
False. Good. The movie is watched by them. Movie ditonton oleh mereka.
True.
True.
True. Good. A bowl of meatball is eaten by my friend.
False.
Dimakan oleh teman saya.
Betul. True.
Yeah, true. Good.
True.
And then the last, my friend eaten by a bowl of meatball.
False.
Okay, so the answer false.
False.
True and false.
Kita
Okay.
bilang.
Next, okay, read the sentences below carefully. Please read the passive voice below and then choose its tense. Okay.
Present.
So, simple present tense is am or are, and then simple past tense was or were. Okay. Deva, can you help me to find the answer?
The bank is wardened by the security. Simple present tense.
Good. Next.
The room is checked by the owner. Simple present tense.
Next.
The books were given by the teacher. Simple past tense.
Good. The last.
The gift was given by Lisa.
Okay.
Simple past tense.
Good. Okay.
Speedrun.
Mau ke batu maaf.
Ya. Gak apa-apa. Yang penting jawabannya benar semua.
Okay. So this one next is categorize the word into the correct kinds of adverb. Yeah, Rendra, please find the answer of this one slowly, quickly, and randomly.
Itu apa? What's that?
Okay, Rendra, can you unmute yourself? Yeah, this one. Slowly, quickly, randomly. What kind of adverb?
Slowly, quickly, and randomly, adverb of manner.
Good. Okay. Next, Aura. Twice, often, and always.
Number.
Wow, Akila.
Number.
Okay, Akila, help it. Number, good. Abim. Okay, Abim. Here, inside, and outside.
Oke, sabar. Kasih orang jawab, Sabar, Bang.
Jangan sendiri dong. Nih.
Oke, guys. Ya. Silakan dijawab, Bim.
Adverb of place.
Wow, betul. Abim, semangat sekali. Good. Okay, next. Dewa Adit, please.
What? Who?
Dewa Adit.
Okay, Miss. Who and what? Interrogative.
Interrogative. Good. Okay, next.
Okay, very simple. Yeah.
Caca. Okay, Caca, can you answer the last one? Tomorrow, yesterday, and today.
Adverb of time.
Good. Okay. Next. Here are 3 kinds of degree comparison. Read the sentences carefully, then categorize each kind. Okay. Irene is beautiful as Wendy. Is as beautiful as Wendy. So, what is this? Positive, comparative, superlative?
Positive degree.
Yeah, good. Positive degree. S blank 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 S. Mark is younger than Johnny.
Comparative.
Comparative. Good. The last, Superman is the strongest hero. Superlative. Okay. Good. Thick, thick, and thick. Okay. So next is pairing the words with appropriate prefixes. Regular. Regular. Irregular. Good. Agree.
Disagree.
Disagree. Secure.
Disagree.
Insecure.
Insecure.
Good. Happy.
Unhappy.
Unhappy.
Unhappy. Legible.
Illegible.
Illegible. Action.
Reaction.
Reaction. Historic.
Prehistoric.
Prehistoric. Good. Okay. And then the last is reading comprehension. Yeah. What is the story about? The story
The Eiffel
about
Tower.
The story
It's
tell
the
about
Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, Eiffel Tower. Good.
Tower.
Where is the location of the tower?
Paris. France, I guess.
Okay. If you answer Paris is correct, France is also correct.
Yeah, it's Paris.
When was it
When was
built?
it built?
Okay, so
can
I just
can you
read
scroll
the
again,
sentence,
Miss?
the text. Yeah, there are 2 answers here. Yeah. Both of them are correct. Okay. Next, who was the creator of the tower?
Can you scroll up, Miss? Because I cannot read that quick.
Okay. Gustav Eiffel. Okay.
My father. Yeah, my father go to the Eiffel Tower.
And then, how long was the tower built? Berapa lama tower itu dibangun?
2 years,
2 years, 2
2
months, and 5 days. Okay.
Speedrun.
Who helped Gustav Eiffel to build the tower? Siapa yang membantu?
Maybe
Okay.
his co-workers.
Yeah, his co-workers is also correct. Engineers is correct. Yeah, or if you type the name of people here is correct. Okay.
I thought the name of the people there.
So
banyak jawabannya mesti ya.
yes,
Bisa
both
pilih.
of them are correct. If you say the co-worker is correct, engineer is correct, and then the name also correct. And then next, why was the tower built? Kenapa? This one is also, there are some answers. Yeah, it was to
The French
celebrate this one.
Revolution. I see.
Okay, this one is correct. And then to show the other nations' power and industrial abilities of France is also correct. Yeah, there are two answers. And then, what were the function of the tower during
World War,
the
not
First
World War. Do I
Okay.
look like Microsoft Word?
sorry, it's mistyping.
It's okay.
Okay, so it is during the First World War.
The tower captured important
in
telegraph precious information was separate.
Okay, this one.
And spies were
Jadi
exposed.
itu bisa menangkap telegram penting, and then informasi yang penting dan juga mata-mata bisa terungkap ya. So that is the function
It's
of
like
the
a
tower.
giant Wi-Fi router.
And then, how tall is the tower? The tower,
300 meters,
okay.
I guess.
Yeah, 300 meters. I think more
That's
than 300
pretty
meters.
big.
And then the last, are the Parisian proud of the tower?
Yes
or
I
no?
guess.
How
can you know
all these
Yes or yes. Yes, they
Yes or no?
are.
Yeah, yes they
Okay.
are.
So that is it,
That's
the
it.
discussion. Yeah. If you want to check the answer key, you can see on the Peta Concept and also on Google Classroom. I will post it.
Ada answer key-nya?
Ada. Miss Rus put on Peta Concept and also on Google Classroom. You can check it later. So you can you can make a prediction. Oh,
Miss,
how
di Google Classroom
is
ada
it?
latihan soal nggak?
There is no, because today we only discuss this one. Yeah. Okay,
Nggak
so
seru
that
nih.
is it.
We only